If your Motorola phone keep losing signals, shows no service, or SIM card status is not showing right at the top, or you are unable to enable mobile data within the notification drawer, then first access notification drawer on your Motorola smartphone. Now tap on airplane mode option and leave it enabled for around 5 to 10 seconds. Now turn off the airplane mode and I hope it will refresh your phone's connection to the cellular network. But if it doesn't help, then just open Settings app on your smartphone. Now click on Network and Internet option and here click on SIMs and Mobile Network. Now find the SIM you are using and turn off the toggle right to it. Now click on Turn Off option, then wait for around 5 to 10 seconds and enable it again. This will restart your SIM's connection to the network, but if you are still facing the problem, then just restart your Motorola phone, as a simple restart can often fix temporary network issue. And while restarting, it's also worth checking the physical SIM, so just remove the SIM tray and make sure the SIM is properly seated in the tray. At the end, if the problem continues, you can reset the mobile network settings. To do this, just open Settings app on your Motorola phone. Now click on the search bar and search for reset. Now click on the first option. Within this section, you will see reset options. So click on it and proceed with the first option, reset mobile network settings. Now click on reset settings and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings. That's it. If you have any other problem, do let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.